Why are you recording me?
I'm recording you because this is funny.
It's funny. Funny why?
Why? Because I don't know what you're looking for. What are you looking for?
I was seeing if I had a bigger one of these.
Oh. Well, he's gonna be working on a project this afternoon. He's gonna put drain cocks, these little things,
drain cocks, yes,
into the filters.
So we're cocking our filter.
Into the 3-stage water filter, so he doesn't have to turn it upside down to drain it out.
It never drains out that way.
It doesn't drain out all the way.
This is the way I did it, not the way everybody should do it. And if you don't feel comfortable enough to do this, take these parts to a local job shop and have them put in a 1/4-inch 18 pipe tap in for you. We have the Clear Source water filtration system. It's the 3-stage, and every time you move, you got to grab this thing. It's full of water. You tip it like this, you drain. And you drain, and you drain. After the introduction, we might not be finished draining, but you drain.
This goes out to all you people out there just want to have a good time. Get your hands together.
It's only a Wednesday night.
Make you feel good.
Think about that.
They're not too sure about you. They're sure curious, though. You did your job, Reggie. We can change filters today too?
We'll look at them. You pop this off, and then you can really drain the water. Get it empty. And then you have to put this filter back on, which is a pain. Now, so now we're guaranteed to have water off, but then you got to put them back on, and if you ever put these things on, they're a pain. By the way, we are not sponsored by Clear Source. We will not be sponsored by Clear Source, especially after what I say. You can buy their filters through Clear Source, and they're like, what, $75? $75. We go to Lowe's, or the Blue Store, which I'm not sponsored by them either. And you pick up 2 packages of them, and it totals $35. The problem is, they don't put a drainage system in these, and I can understand the manufacturing reason why, because it's a molded injection mold. Boom, they drop them out, they throw them in the container, someone knocks the burrs off, they're done. Someone has to pick this up, drill, tap, handle it, and put that in there. This thing would cost probably $3, $4 a piece. It's also now $10 a piece, because it costs twice as much to handle it and put a simple little tap hole in it. Clear Source probably doesn't manufacture these. It's say made in Taiwan. They buy them by bulk. It's not cost effective to do that. So what I'm going to do today is we're going to put what they call drain cocks in them. And it's a simple pipe tap fit. We'll fit in there, and this way we can drain off the water. You can buy the drill. They use a 7/16 drill with the plenty fine. And a 1/4-inch pipe tap. Does not look like a 1/4 inch. And I tried to explain to my wife and forget. It's just plumbing.
Yeah.
It's plumbing. If you understand plumber and you're a plumber, good for you. I'll talk to you in thousandths of an inch then.
Down the drain.
Number 2, down the drain. We're trying to hurry up and do this before the ranger comes by with her little blower. YouTube creators say every time you go out on your campsite to go do a video, it's guaranteed. Somebody's going to come out with a leaf blower and blow.
Leaf blower, lawnmower, whatever.
Today is the first day they've done it in 3 weeks. Take it, push it. Get a good start in the center.
Yeah, we had snow 2 weeks ago.
a little spooky ready. I don't like when it gets rowdy. I'm like about ready to break through, but it didn't. And I have been doing this for years, folks. Take your time. That's about 30 years worth of drilling and tapping holes. Not by hand, but still, I have enough knowledge to know it. And these are made for air compressors.
Okay, they're all rinsed out.
Should work. Now we gotta put it back together. Remember which way it goes. Okay, I gotta put it back together. Assemble it, which you shouldn't have to show. Put the drain cocks, tighten them all up. Carry it back over to the RV. And on the other side, hook up all the water hoses and we'll test it for leaks and to see if it drains. Okay, so we're going to put this under a little pressure. All right. System's pressurized. It's pressurized. I'm going to shut the water off. Forget to do it. There it goes.
Yep, that one's draining. That one's draining. And that one's draining.
So they all
They're all
drain.
draining.
Now the system will drain off.
First
You
one's
can undo.
already done. It's just about dripping.
Yep. I'm going to close them up. That worked. It works.
All right.
Yay.